Okay, this is just a brief guide on how to check your test your pool water inside your swimming pool. What I have here is called a Pentair Rainbow Pool and Spa Test Kit. It tests for chlorine, pH, acid in demand, and alkalinity. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. Got your tubes right here, got your reagents, all 5 reagents right here. This one would be your chlorine, this one right here will be your neutralizer, solution number 4, and of course your pH, and then here you have your total alkalinity. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to open it up. Of course, we're going to rinse out the tubes. And we're going to fill it up. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up. There's a line right here where it said that you have to fill it up to for the pH and acid in demand. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it to that line. Alright, so now we're there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cap that one off. And we're going to do the total alkalinity, the pH and the free chlorine at the same time. So we got it there right to the line. So right there to the line is where you want to have your water filled to. So what we're going to do is we're going to get solution number 1. We're going to check our free chlorine first. We're going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pool doesn't have any. As you can see here, it has nothing in it. It's got 0 chlorine. Okay, so now we're going to check the pH. Normally, what we use for the pH test is we use something called solution number 4. It's a chlorine neutralizer. And what it's going to do is it's going to neutralize any chlorine that way we can get an accurate reading. So what we're going to do is just add 1 drop. Usually if it's a lot higher, we would add 2 or 3 drops. That way we get a better reading, because sometimes just by adding 1 drop, you want to try to do your best to get the best reading out of your pH. If the chlorine is too high, you're going to have to use more neutralizer if you want an accurate reading. So we're going to continue with this, and we're going to add 5 drops of solution number 2. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to cap that off, and then we're going to shake it. Anywhere between 7.2 and 7.6 is ideal. Anything above that, 7.8, 8.2, you need to add hydrochloric acid. Anything below 7.2, around 6.8, you gotta add soda ash. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to check for total alkalinity. Check for total alkalinity. What we want to do is we want to rinse it out real good, because we just checked it. And we want to come over here so we get more fresher water. Get this right here. Okay, now we're going to fill it up to this line right here, total alkalinity. So what we're going to do is we're going to empty this out to where we can check for total alkalinity. Almost close. Alright, so it's right there to the total alkalinity line. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add again, if you want to get an accurate reading, you got to add your neutralizer in here. Even though there's not any chlorine, you still add it anyways. Well, I mean, I usually do. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 drop of solution number 5, total alkalinity, 1 drop. Boom. Alright, then we're going to cap that off, and we're going to shake it up. Shake it up really good. Got to shake it up about like 4 seconds. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to add one drop and count at it each time, and then multiply that by 10 for the total alkalinity. Okay, so what's going to happen here is it's going to turn a slight yellow or a clear color, and then that's for each drop we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so that's 10 drops. So you times that times 10, and that gives you 100. Normally with total alkalinity, it's anywhere between 7 to 13 drops, which is ideal. Anything past 13 or below 6, you're going to have to add TA up, sodium bicarbonate. Anything higher than that, you'll have to add acid. And that pretty much right there is just a short, briefing on how to use a 5-way test kit. It's very simple. You get it at any pool retail store. Rainbow Pentair 5-way test kit is one I normally prefer because I think it's a really good test kit and it's pretty accurate. And thanks for tuning in. Check this out. I'm gonna throw this.